All right, so this is a 2000 Road King, and I've been hearing this clunking noise when I'm accelerating. A few YouTube videos, and there was one guy that said he had the same kind of sound, and it was the same kind of sound that I think I'm hearing. And it turned out that his compensator was loose, and all he had to do was tighten it, and the problem was fixed. So I'm hoping that's it. So now I took the floorboard out, and I'm hoping that I don't have to take the gear lever off. Just gonna give it a shot and see what it does, and hopefully it's that. Alright, so the primary cover is off, and I'm taking a look at it, and everything looks fine to me. The compensator right here, I was hoping that was loose or something, then it would be an easy fix. I would just have to tighten it. But the outer parts, everything looks normal. Everything else looks normal. I don't know. I'm hoping that it's not the inside parts that's going out or loose or anything. Chain looks good. The chain tension looks good. So I don't know, I'll probably just take it to Harley, have him take a look at it and see what it is. Maybe I'm just paranoid. Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, thanks guys. Bye now.